Hello all and welcome to TVM Academy. This is a quick FAQ video on VARC Ultima, the 90-day intensive fast track program for VARC section of CAT 2024, which starts tomorrow, that is 12th of August, as I make this video. I have been asked quite a few questions recently by those of you interested in joining the course. Many of you have joined. Many are still inquiring about a few questions. So I'm making this video to answer these questions once and for all. Does it include booster test? First question, I've been asked a lot of times. Yes, it does. In all, VARC Ultima will have 25 booster tests, 10 out of which will be VARC sectional mocks. So it has therefore both concept classes. We are going to cover each question, that CAT asks, RC main idea, critical reasoning questions, inference-based questions, parajumbles, para summary. So every concept class will be there, plus there will be practice test, booster test, 25 of them. When will the course be completed? Concept classes will be over by September end or October first week, and the practice sessions will continue till November. So this is what the course design and structure is like. What will the course workload be? Do I need to look elsewhere for VARC prep? The answer is no. The course workload will be approximately 20 hours a week. So we have live classes at least 5 days a week. It can also go up to 6 days a week. Okay. So let's say 10 hours for live class, 2 hours per class ke average se. And then the remaining 10 hours for self-study, all the worksheets and all the booster tests and practice tests that you will write. So approximately 20 hours, a week, which means 3 hours a day, 2 to 3 hours a day, you are investing in VARC. So it is a complete preparation plan. You don't have to look elsewhere beyond that. Are classes interactive? Absolutely, yes. The unique feature of these classes, the live classes, and why should you enroll for this program in this last lap of preparation, is because you are encouraged to participate in discussions. You get ample opportunity to unmute yourself during the live and ask your doubts. And we do not proceed until and unless we have satisfied each and everyone's doubts. So essentially, I as a mentor get an insight into your thought process and also get an opportunity to rectify it, to tell you where you are thinking wrong. Okay. So rather than me telling you the correct answer and the correct way of thinking, the classes become student led, where you tell me what you thought and I can guide you better where you went wrong. How will I ask my doubts? Again, during Zoom itself, live sessions. Additionally, if you have doubts after the class, there's a private Telegram group on which you can post them. You can also post your doubts on the portal itself. Will all the classes be taken by you? I have been asked this question, at least 6-7 times in the past few days, sir. Are you going to take all the classes? The answer is absolutely yes. There is no other faculty who will take these classes. We will not delegate the course to anybody else. So all the sessions, if you have been following my free videos on YouTube, VARC 100 series, then this is a question very commonly asked by those of you who have been watching that video. Those videos. You ask me that, sir, will you teach? My answer is absolutely yes. What is the maximum batch size in the live sessions? 30 to 40, so that everybody gets a chance. That's the maximum a live batch has. We do not have 200, 300 students in a live batch because the format here is a little different. We want you to participate. What is the total fees? This is an important update. In fact, not an update. This is something that I would like to, a reminder rather. The course price is 8,000. The offer price of the course is 5,999, and an additional 1,000 rupee discount is going on for those of you who enrolled today. That is 11th of August midnight. Tomorrow onwards, the course price will be 5,999 at least. So this additional early enrollment benefit of extra 1,000 will not be applicable tomorrow. So the effective fees therefore would be 4,999. So you can use the discount code TVM 1000 if you're enrolling before midnight today. All the best for your preparation. Hope to see you in the classes. All the best for the last lap. Bye-bye.